Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject Mathematics, term 2, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is Shapes and Patterns. This is our lecture number 6. Today's topics are types of straight lines, identify the lines, meaning of patterns, patterns in geometry. So our first topic is types of straight lines. So beta, I told you in my last lecture that what are straight lines? बिल्कुल सीधी lines beta. So here we will learn about the types of straight lines. So these are number 1 horizontal lines, number 2 vertical lines, number 3 slanting lines. So today we will learn about all these lines. Okay, so let's start. Types of straight lines. Number 1, horizontal lines. What are horizontal lines, beta? Horizontal lines means slipping lines like this. Okay, these are the horizontal lines. Now, the vertical lines. Vertical lines means standing line like this. Okay, these are the standing lines. Now, the next is slanting lines. Slanting means जो slope में होती हैं बेटा, ठीक है, टेढ़ी, like this. Straight होती हैं but टेढ़ी होती हैं, okay, और like this. Both are slanting lines, okay. Now beta, the question is identify the horizontal, vertical and slanting lines in the following figures. ठीक है, अब हमें हॉरिजॉन्टल, वर्टिकल और स्लैंटिंग लाइंस आइडेंटिफाई करनी है, मींस पहचाननी है, जो फिगर्स हमें दी हुई हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इन पार्ट ए. दिस फिगर इज गिवन. ओके, नाउ बेटा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल find out the horizontal lines, and horizontal lines means slipping lines. Okay, so here this is the horizontal line, so here we will write horizontal line. Okay, and the next horizontal line is this is at the top and this is at the bottom, so here we will write again horizontal line. So here two horizontal lines are there in this figure. Now we will see which are the vertical lines. So here you can see this is the standing line, and standing lines means vertical lines. So here we will write vertical line like this, and again there is another standing line. Okay, so here again we will write vertical line. Understood? Now we have to find out the slanting lines, and slanting lines here in between it is given slanting line. ये स्लोप में जो हमें लाइन दी हुई है, that is the slanting line. So here we will write slanting line. Understood beta? Now in B part, this figure is given. Now you can see that there are so many lines. Now we have to write which is the horizontal, which is the vertical and which is the slanting line. So here let's start by horizontal line. So in horizontal line, this is the slipping line. Okay, so here we will write horizontal line first of all. Then next slipping line is this. So again here we will write horizontal line. Okay, and at the bottom again horizontal line is given. So here again we will write horizontal line. So here in this figure we have three horizontal lines. Okay beta, now we have to write vertical line, है ना. So vertical lines means standing line. So here this is the first standing line, so here we will write vertical line. Then this is the second vertical line, and this is the third vertical line. Understood? Now we have to find out the slanting lines, and I told you earlier slanting means जो बिल्कुल स्लॉप की तरह होती हैं, ठीक है, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं जो टेढ़ी होती हैं. So here straight है ये line, you can see, but these are slanting. So here we will write slanting line like this, and here again we will write slanting line. Understood, beta? So two slanting lines are there, three horizontal lines are there, and three vertical lines are there in this figure. Understood? Now in C part, this triangle is given, okay, and this is the mid part of this triangle. So now we have to write the horizontal lines. So first of all, horizontal means slipping line. So here only one slipping line is there, and this is at the bottom. So here we will write horizontal line. Understood, beta? Now we have to write the vertical line. So here this is the vertical line, okay, because this is the standing line. So here we will write vertical line. Now we have to find out slanting lines. So slanting, here is the, this is the slanting line, and again this is the slanting line. So we will write here slanting line and again slanting line. Understood, beta? Now the next topic is patterns. So what do you mean by patterns, beta? There are many patterns around us. Okay, a pattern is made when shapes and numbers are repeated or put in a sequence or order. So बेटा पैटर्न क्या होता है? हमारे ऑल अराउंड जो है पैटर्न्स हम देखते हैं. पैटर्न क्या होता है? पैटर्न इज मेड व्हेन शेप्स एंड नंबर्स आर रिपीटेड. जब शेप्स और नंबर रिपीट होते हैं, ठीक है, या फिर किसी सीक्वेंस में रखे होते हैं, देन वी कैन से दैट पैटर्न इज देयर. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. Patterns help us to understand different things in life. Okay? पैटर्न जो है हमें बहुत सारी चीजें सिखाता है हमारी लाइफ में. ठीक है, किसी भी चीज का पैटर्न देख के हमें पता चल जाता है कि हाँ कैसा पैटर्न है. एंड मैथमेटिक्स इज ऑल अबाउट पैटर्न. We see patterns on clothes, tiles, gates, window grills and different types of shapes and designs. हमें ये सारे पैटर्न्स जो हैं वो क्लोथ्स पे, टाइल्स पे, गेट्स पे, विंडो ग्रिल्स में, ठीक है, दिखाई देते हैं. ओके, और डिफरेंट टाइप्स की शेप्स के होते हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डिजाइन्स के होते हैं. सो टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट दीज पैटर्न्स. So different types of patterns. Now I will show you different types of patterns. So first of all, this pattern is given. You can see there are square and rectangle, then square and rectangle in different way, in different sequence they are. So we can say that this is the design or pattern of a tile. So patterns on tiles. Now this is the again a pattern, okay, and here this is the patterns on windows. Now the next is patterns with thumbprints. Thumbprints se bhi we can make pattern. So let's see how we can make thumbprints pattern. So here you can see there is a boy, okay, and he has made a tree with the help of thumbprinting. Okay, so this is called the pattern. And here again there is a thumb printing. Okay, so you can make thumb printing pattern like this. But we can make patterns with the help of vegetables also. Okay, so let's see how. Here you can see these are the patterns made with the help of vegetables. This is the ladyfinger vegetable, okay, and this is the capsicum. So we can make patterns with the help of vegetables. And here again there is a necklace, and here we have made the pattern with the help of ladyfinger. Okay beta. Now patterns by using fallen leaves. Fallen leaves क्या होती हैं बेटा? जो पत्तियां गिर जाती हैं उनकी हेल्प से भी we can make pattern. So let's see how. Here you can see these are the patterns using by leaves. Okay, and here again these are again the leaves, okay, fallen leaves, and with the help of these leaves we have made this pattern, cloth pattern you can say, okay, clothes पे हम इस तरह के patterns बना सकते हैं. Now beta, patterns in geometry of page number 54. Okay, so patterns in geometry mein beta we will learn about shape pattern. Okay, so let's see what is given to us. Look at the patterns and draw the missing figure in each. So here beta, first of all we will look at the pattern which is given to us and then we have to draw the missing figure in that. So let's see in A part. This pattern is given. So first of all we will read this pattern, है ना? So here you can see there is a circle, then again a circle, then triangle is given, then one circle, then dash, then triangle, then two circles and then triangle. So what we have read about it, that after two circles there is a triangle. So here you can see one circle is given and then dash is given and then triangle is given. So we will have to make here one circle. Now you can see this pattern is complete. Two circles, one triangle, two circle, one triangle, two circles, one triangle. Understood beta? Now in B part, this pattern is given. So first of all we will read one square, then rectangle, then square, then rectangle, then square, then dash, then square, then dash. It means in this pattern what we have read about it, that after one square there is a rectangle, okay, and here is the dash. So here which pattern will come? That is the rectangle, because here square is given and after square there should be a rectangle. Understood beta? Now in C part, what is given? This figure is given. Now we have to first read the pattern, given pattern. So here first a triangle, then square, then circle. Again triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, dash, square, circle. So here what is the missing figure? It should be a triangle, okay, like this. Now this pattern is complete, है ना? Triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle. Understood beta? Now in D part, this pattern is given. So what is this? This is a cube, then sphere, then cube, sphere, cube, then dash, then cube. So here in this pattern what we have studied, that after a cube there is a sphere, okay. So here cube is given, then here what we will make, that is a sphere shape, okay. Now this pattern is complete. Cube, sphere, cube, sphere, cube, sphere and cube, okay. Now in E part it is given. Now here you can see that first of all this cone shape is given, then sphere, then cylinder shape, then dash, then again sphere is given, then cylinder shape, then cone and then sphere, okay. So which is the missing figure? That is the, yes, cone, okay. So here we will make a cone shape like this. Understood? Now in F part, this figure is given, this pattern is given, okay. Here you can see first of all it is a cylinder shape, then sphere, then two triangles, okay. Then again you can see again cylinder is there, then again sphere is there, then again two triangles are there, and after that one cylinder is given, sphere is given, then dash and then one triangle. So Which figure comes here? That is this triangle shape to complete this pattern. Understood, beta? Now, beta, we will learn about new words. Okay, so let's start. Number one is horizontal. H-O-R-I, hori, Z-O-N-T-A-L, horizontal. Horizontal means slipping lines, beta. बिल्कुल सीधी slipping lines. Okay. Now the next is vertical. V-E-R-T-I, verti, C-A-L, कल, vertical. Vertical means standing lines, यानी कि खड़ी line. Okay, beta. Now the next is slanting. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G, slanting. Slanting means a टेढ़ी line. Okay. Now the next is figures. F-I-G-U-R-E-S, figures. Figures क्या होती है बेटा? जो हम shapes बनाते हैं different types की, that are the figures. Okay. And the next is patterns. P-A-T-T-E-R-N-S, patterns. Patterns को हम हिंदी में भी patterns ही बुलाते हैं. Okay बेटा? So you have to learn all these new words. Okay. The next is window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window means beta खिड़की. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Thumb. Prints. T-H-U-M. Thumb. P-R-I-N-T-S. Prints. Thumb prints क्या होते हैं बेटा? जो हमारा अंगूठा होता है उसके निशान. Thumb prints. Okay. Vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. What do you mean by vegetables? Sabjiyan. Next is repeated. R-E-P-E-A-T-E-D. Repeated. Repeated क्या होता है बेटा? एक ही काम का बार बार होना. Repeated. R-E-P-E-A-T-E-D. And in patterns, everything is repeated. जो भी चाहे वो shapes हो, चाहे वो numbers हो, that are repeated. The next is designs. D-E-S-I-G-N-S. Designs. D-E-S-I-G-N-S. Designs. Now today's homework. Do question number 2 given on page number 52 of your book. Class 2, term 2. Okay. So beta, you have to do question number 2. That is given on page number 52 of your book. Okay. In that question, you have to tick the curved lines. Okay. So you have to do this work and send it to my mail ID. Now the next is chapter number 4, lecture number 5, homework solution. So I had given you some fill-ups. So let's discuss. Do given fill-ups in your notebook. I had given you this work. So one is there are dash edges in a cube. So beta, in a cube, how many edges are there? I told you earlier now that how many edges in a cube? That is 12 edges. So here we will write 12. Okay. Now the next is there are only dash curved face in a sphere. Beta, sphere shape में how many curved faces are there? That is only one. Okay. So here we will write 1. In a sphere, there is only one curved face. Okay. Now in question number 3, it is given in that solid shape, 2 edges are there. ऐसी कौन सी solid shape है बेटा जिसमें 2 edges होती हैं? And I told you earlier that in a cylinder shape, how many edges are there? 2 edges are there. So here we will write the name of the shape and that is cylinder. 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 Understood? Now question number 4. There are dash corners in a square. So here beta I am talking about square, not about sphere. Okay. So you have to see what is given to us. There are dash corners in a square. एक square में हम square कैसे बनाते हैं? इस तरह से बनाते हैं 4 sides से. ठीक है. So how many corners in a square? That is 4. Now question number 5. Give one example of cylinder shape object. हमें यहाँ पर सिर्फ one example देना है, but I will give you 4 examples. So you can write any one of them. Okay. So here you have to write the name of the object. हमें यहाँ पर properties नहीं लिखनी है बेटा. We have to write the name of the object that is of cylinder shape. Okay. So here number 1 is water bottle. WATER water. BOTTLE bottle. Water bottle. पानी की बोतल. And the next is paint box. PAINT paint. BOX box. ठीक है. ऐसा बॉक्स जिसमें पेंट आता है वो भी सिलेंडर शेप का ही होता है बेटा. ओके. And the next is drum. DRUM drum. Drum is also of cylinder shape. And the next is cell. CELL cell. Okay. So these are the examples of cylinder shape object. You can write any one of them. And can also. CANE can. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.